guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Engineer Singo from CLMP. Today our topic is regarding triangles under plane geometry. Okay, so I have the topic, guys. As you can see in the whiteboard, proper formulas and some principles of triangles under plane geometry. So I'm discussing to you the properties or the formula regarding this triangle plane geometry. Okay. Now our first property is length of the medians of triangle. Why I'm discussing to you this, guys, is because we want to know how to find or how to solve the length of the medians of a triangle in terms of this height, h sub b. Okay, on how to solve this one, knowing some parameters of a plane triangle, h sub a. Okay, how to compute or how to find the length of these medians, okay, of a triangle, and the other one is h sub c. Okay, we want to know how to find also the length of median for h sub c. So in this particular triangle, guys, there are three medians. Okay, h sub a, h sub b, and h sub c. Okay, so under point A here, point B, and point C. Okay, guys, so first I want to show you how to calculate the length of medians of h sub c. I mean h sub a. Okay, h sub a, this one, guys, for this particular triangle. So I have here some equation regarding medians of triangles, okay, on how to solve the length. So as you can see here, h sub a is equal to 1/2 times the square root of, okay, 2b squared. Okay, this one is b, this is the side, okay, point b, 2b squared plus 2c, okay, minus a squared. Okay, so this variable, guys, a, b, c are the three sides of a triangle. Okay, this side is the a, b, small b, and the third one is the small c or c side. As you can see here, where e, b, and c are the length of the sides of the triangle. Okay, please don't confuse, ha. We are using the small variables, small letter variables, the three sides of a triangle in this formula, a, b, and c. Okay, so 2b squared plus 2c squared minus a squared. If you have encountered some problem related to these triangles, knowing some medians or the three sides, you can simply substitute to this particular formula. Okay, guys, take note of this one equation on how to solve the medians of triangle under h sub a. Okay, this one. Now next is the h sub b. H sub b is this one, the vertical. Okay, the vertical median of a triangle, h sub b, is equal to 1/2 times the square root of 2 times a squared. Okay, guys, a, this side, squared, plus twice the 2 times c squared. C is this side, guys. Okay, c is this one, minus b squared, this one, this side. Okay, so this is the second equation on how to solve the length of the medians of a triangle under h sub b. Okay, guys, take note, ha. Next is the h sub c. Third medians, the length of third medians h sub c, this one, guys, from here up to this point. Okay, h sub c. So this is the length of the medians. Again, is equal to 1/2 times the square root of 2a squared, a, this one, plus 2b squared, okay, this one guys, b minus c squared, okay, this other side. Okay, so take note this equation, ha, h sub c, b, and h sub a. Now, next topic, apart from the length of the medians, and we will discuss also on how to solve the angle bisector, okay, the angle bisector of the triangle. Okay, so h sub a, again this one, h sub a is equal to 2 over b plus c. Okay, this one is the b sides, okay, this one, plus the c, okay, this one, times the square root of the product, okay guys, the product of b, c, and s, product of b, c, and s. By the way guys, s can be solved, it's a semi-perimeter as we studied before, okay. S can be solved is like this, okay, as per this equation, is equal to the summation of the three sides, a plus b plus c, okay, a plus b plus c divided by 2, okay. So once you know all the three sides, you can find the semi-perimeter or the s value. So you can substitute here, okay. So the product of the three variables, the b, c, and the s, times the semi-perimeter minus the a, the side a, okay. So next is equal to h sub b, okay. H sub b guys, h sub b, the vertical one, okay. So 2 is equal to 2 over a plus c, this one, a plus c, these sides, okay, a plus c, times the square root of a times c times the s, the semi-perimeter, okay, times the difference between the s minus b sides, okay, s minus b sides, okay. So this one guys, okay, h sub b, this angle, h sub b, angle, okay, b, beta or b. Now the third one, h sub c, okay, this one, this median, okay. In order to solve the angle between these two thetas, we need to find first the h sub c or the median of the triangle, okay. So h sub c is equal to 2 over a plus b, a side plus b side, okay, a side plus b side, times the square root of the product of a side times the b times the semi-perimeter, again same equation on how to find the s, times the difference between the semi-perimeter or s minus the c sides, okay, this one. So take note guys, these three equations on how to solve for the angle bisector of the triangle, because in order to find the theta or the angle between the medians, we need to find first the angle bisector, okay. You can see here guys. And the other one, we have here a triangle, okay, the medians, h sub b at point b, point a, b, and c, so a sides and the b sides and the c sides, but between a and b is the x, okay. Let me use x variable, okay, and from point b to c is b minus x, okay, b, this one, b minus x is equal to b minus x here, okay, and this will be, this one is from here up to here is x, so this one is b minus x. Now the ratio between these two triangles, x over c, this one, x over c is equal to b minus x over a, okay, b minus x over a. Now um, to find the medians for this particular triangle, it's a B. We have our equation, guys. H squared, it's a B squared is equal to the product of two sides, A sides and the C sides, minus X, this one, okay, minus X, times the difference between B minus X, okay. So this is the equation how to solve the medians. It's a B using the ratio, the similar triangles between these plane geometry. The two triangles of this geometry, x over c is equal to b minus x over a proportion. Okay guys, so I hope you understand our partial topic regarding these triangles under plane geometry, and I will discuss also some topic later after this discussion. Okay guys, so kindly share, like and subscribe our channel so that you will be updated for some incoming videos regarding continuation for these triangles under plane geometry. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.